Welcome to Konig. Stay home safe, make a cup of coffee beside you, and follow us to take a look at our factories. This is the overall appearance of Konig. In Konig, we have professional R&D team, high-tech laboratory, and standard workshop. And the workshops covers an area of 12,000 square meters with 326 workers. And also, this is our private land, which means all the equipment and material possessed by our own. Here we are looking at the system housing injection workshop. There are 80 sets of injection machines. On the left side, we can see that the automatic robotic arms is in operation. We can see that the robotic arm is in operation and remove the systems from the injection molding machine. And then transfer it to the conveyor belt. And now we can see our workers is remove the burrs. All the system housings will be inspected and checked before delivery to assembly line. And speaking of exposed systems, our production capacity reaches 12,000 sets of finished product per day. And this is our daily operation record and equipment maintenance record. Let's take a look at the right side. It's a production line that making city system covers. And now I can still feel that they have hot and temperature right now. And then I will introduce our molding workshop for you. Of course, all the molds are made by Konig. Not only can we continuously introduce new products according to markets and customer needs, but also provide professional maintenance for all molds to ensure quality. And here we can see is our display board which used on inspect each mold's production situation. And now we can see the whole perspective of our mold workshop. And these are our EDM spark machines. Here's the maintenance track legs. As you can see, it is the latest state. And next to our EDM machine, we got a CNC machine. And this machine is used on producing new molds. And now we are going to our mechanism and accessories injection workshop, where are producing flush valve and fill valve fittings. Here we can see the display board on which we can find out the production situation of each machine. And this report will be updated daily. And now you can see the overall perspective of the workshop. Here we own 32 sets of injection machines. On my left, those machines are making fittings and flush buttons. As you can see that all the robotic arms are working all the time. And this is our new produced flush and fill fitting. And here we got the maintenance records and equipment checklist. And now we can see our workers is packing and assembling our products orderly. Following our steps, now here we are in the concealed system assembly production lines. As you can see, he is busy to assemble products. Over there, we have testing machines to detect the product's quality, such as flush valve testing, system leakage testing, and so on. Now, this is machine which used on testing leakage. After finished visiting our concealed system assembly line, some of you may want to see our exposed system assembly production line. Now let's go. Welcome to our exposed system assembly line, and this plate can be divided into two parts. At front is mainly for system assemblies, system fittings assembly, and at the back mainly used for system assembly. As we can see, this production line is mainly used for flush valve fittings, and on my left, those production lines are making fill valve fittings. Please take note that all the mechanisms will be 100% tested before final assembly. And this is machine which mainly use of testing fill valve function. As we can see, this machine is mainly used for detect the flush valve functions to ensure no leakage and good quality. Okay, now here we are going to our system assembly production line. At the front, this machine is mainly used for printing logos. It is all automatic and laser machine marking. And now we are going to our laboratory. Here you can see we have different testing machines, and this is the overall perspective of our laboratory. Now as our cameras follows, we can see the chemical testing areas. As we all know, the rubber and silicon seals are the most vulnerable parts. In order to ensure the quality, each batch of rubber parts and silicon parts are assembled in test before mass production. Let's track the test report. You can see it is all passed. And next, It is our bursting strength tester for inspect the package quality. The following is hot and cold cycle testing machine. It is used to test the structure of plastic materials. It can be tolerated in a continuous environment of extremely high temperature and extremely low temperature in an instant to detect the chemical change or physical damage caused by thermal expansion and construction of the sample in the shortest time. And this is our refrigerator, which is used for refrigerating tests. Here we can see are the frozen system housings. And some flushing mechanisms and silicones. Please take note that our silicones is same quality and standard as Gabriel brand. Okay, now next is the lifespan tester machine. It's mainly used for sampling test lifespan of flash valve for more than 200,000 times before launch and mass production. We can see the current testing time and set value. Next is our comprehensive tester machine, which used to detect of inlet flow and flush flow, anti-siphons, pressure, resistance, and water hammer. And now what you see is our wastewater tester machine. Flushing mechanisms are testing in different condition water, in sequence, high sediment, content water, industrial water, rural water, and urban household waters. And this is our reports, and they can be updated daily. And now we can see the current data is 151,898 times. And also each mechanism will be tested over 200,000 times. At last is the acid source spray test machine. All the chrome buttons will be sampling tested inside it, but we cannot open it until finished. Our chrome buttons can pass through the highest level 10 grade. Please note that it is acid source spray test, can also be referred to ASS. It is much superior to the neutral source spray test. Okay, that's all of our laboratory. If you have any questions about our products and orders, you can text us or move to the iConference room. Our sales are waiting for you. Just go and check with them. See you guys later.